one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Not every answer from the Lord comes with a loud voice. Sometimes His mercy shows up as a quiet place within, a place of peace, a steadying of your heart, a softening of what has been tight inside of you. You have grown used to living in tension, carrying weight upon your shoulders. But the Lord is inviting you to see the world with new eyes. He's inviting you to walk in freedom. The Lord says, "Come into my presence and walk with me," allowing me to refresh you, allowing me to renew you. For I know the strain that you have carried. I know the burdens that you've been holding on to. Let go and allow my peace to reign. Let go and allow me to fill you anew. For as you walk with me, you will find a new lightness. As you walk with me, you will find a new inner peace. I am with you. I am for you. I'm restoring your heart in this time. I'm renewing you from the inside out. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.